what's up everyone? This is Ted Claudio. What's up that page? Today we're going to unbox the new DJI Neo. Wow! Ang ganda nitong drone na to. Yan ang itsura ng drone. What makes this drone different is, kumbaga maliban sa pagiging lightweight niya, there's no remote control required. Parang yung mga Hoover X series na from the palm of your hand you can release it, just select the mode. Kaiba naman nito, ang kagandahan nito DJI Neo na to is if you buy this Flymore combo katulad nitong nasa box na to, may kasama rin siyang RC N3 controller. So you can fly it just like an ordinary drone. First, let's unbox. So ang ganda ng box, yung typical white and black text. So ito yung front, ito yung sa side. Makita natin nandito yung mga specs, yung 135 grams lang, ang gaang. So ano siya, C0 ano siya, category. Yan, sa likod pinakita niya yung pinaka drone. So agandahan nito, yun may ano siya, may prop guard. Etong prop guard na yan, makikita natin yan, removable yan. Okay, sa ilalim, sa ibabaw. Okay, unbox na natin guys. Okay, what's in the box? So isa-isayin natin siya. Ang unang box, it contains I think this is the battery charging hub. Yeah. So the DJI charging hub for the DJI Neo. So you can put 3 batteries, yung isang battery kasama ron sa nasa drone. So you just plug it into a USB-C for charging. So makikita mo na pag pinrest mo to, wala, dapat to pag pinrest to, siguro mga walang charge. Okay, so kasama sa box na to merong ano to, USB-C to to lightning cable. So okay, so I think this is for if you want to connect it to the phone for downloading the files or setting up. Okay, then you have the USB C to C. So yun yung dalawang kasamang cable with the, tapos meron pa isang naiwan, ito yung screwdriver. Okay, that's the content of this smaller box. Tabi na natin, what's the other box? So natin yung other box. So ito yung nasa plastic is the DJI RC N3 controller. So ito yung bago. Okay. So ito yung controller na kailangan mo siya ng mobile phone. Okay? So yan. Hindi mo ilalagay yung phone. Iipit ko yung phone. Tapos nandito yung mga ano niya, screw for the controller. Yeah. So parang yung it's like the same din ng mga RCN2, mga different controllers before. You have the return to home, so switch it to cinematic, normal, and sports mode. Then yung typical controls here, Yung for zoom, this is to take the photo or the video. Yan, function and for take a photo yata to. Masanay kasi ako doon sa RC2 yung may built-in ng screen. Okay, so tabin muna natin yan. Then last item in the box, meron pa. So merong mga manuals. So, hindi natin isa-isahin yan. Wala naman nagbabasa. Okay, and the last item in the box, so meron pang ano. Okay, hindi ba pala? Okay, so ito yung silica gel. Merong extra na dalawa na props. Okay, so isang green, isang yellow, and isang blue. So ito yung set A at set B. Okay, and finally, wow, grabe, sobrang liit naman nito, parang laruan. Yan na, ang DJI Neo. Wow, looks so good. There you go, guys. Grabe, ang liit. Sobrang liit niya. So ito meron na siyang props guard na detachable siya, madali siyang tanggalin at madaling kabit. Hindi ko nagagawin yon. Masaya na, nandito na yung other battery. Then you have, okay, so ito yung lens guard yung natin. So ito yung camera niya, yun. So ano lang siya, single axis lang, pero using the other technologies para mag-stabilize siya. Ito yung may mode button. So mamaya i-activate natin yan. So meron siyang mga different fly modes, yung rocket, drone, fly around. So pag-aralan natin yan mamaya. Okay, so guys, this is what's in the box, and stay tuned for the more detailed unboxing and features. Set up natin siya. Thanks for watching.